These are Zoe's hiccups. See if we can catch her rolling around a little bit. Zoe. Oh, there she is. Hi. She doesn't like it when she gets the hiccups. Zoe.
I didn't know the windmills that studies have shown that, they put it in cornfields, in farming fields.
Yeah.
But the studies are showing that for plants to grow, they need to cool down.